Have you ever wondered when to harvest your zucchini and squash? Well, in today's video, I'm going to discuss when you should harvest it and why you should. Good morning, YouTube, and welcome back to my channel. We're going to harvest some zucchini momentarily, but before I do that, I'm going to trim up some of this jungle that's here so that it's easier to look in and see what's growing on, and it's easier for pollinators to get in and pollinate the fruit. Okay, now that we've opened up some space so we can see, we're going to harvest one zucchini from this plant here. And there's two ways that you can do it. You can use shears to just cut through like I just did, or you can twist it off. Now, this is a zucchini that, in my opinion, I probably let be on the plant a little bit too long. You want to harvest these when they are anywhere from 6 to 8 inches long, and the flesh is shiny and glossy like this one is. Any larger and the seeds become bitter and all, and it would probably be better off being used for seeds in the future. So we're not going to allow these to get this big again, and we're going to harvest one more on a sister plant that is this size as well. And here's another one. Move the camera so you can see. Here's another one. So of the two this size that we got, in the future, I'm going to try not to let them get this big. I have one more on another plant that I'm going to get, and then we're going to look and see if we have any other stuff in the garden to harvest. So off camera, I went ahead and harvested some more onions and some bib lettuce. We're going to go ahead and put this away for the time being, and then come back and talk about how you can store your zucchini and how you can cook it. With zucchini plants, you have to check them daily because they grow real fast. This is the difference between a 6 to 8 inch zucchini versus one that is twice its size. So make sure that you're checking your zucchini every day because they do grow pretty fast. Now, as far as keeping them, when you get them from your garden, you can keep them unwashed in your refrigerator for about a week. If you are not going to use them during that time frame, you can cut them up and blanch them in hot water, and then immediately cool them off in an ice bath. Dry them off, and then either put them in a freezer bag in the freezer, or you can vacuum seal them and they will stay for a while. As far as using zucchini, you can use it in fresh dishes immediately as a side dish. If you're not going to use it immediately, you can, like I said, blanch them, and vacuum seal them or seal them in a Ziploc freezer bag in your freezer, and then take them out and use them in stews or soups. They're very good that way, and I love them. My family loves them. We used to go out to a restaurant, I believe it was Red Lobster, that had fried zucchini with horseradish. And that was one of my wife and my favorite side dishes. And that's what we use this for a lot. So there's many ways that you can use it. And it's a very good vegetable. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you got something out of it. If you did, give me a thumbs up. Leave me a comment and I will reply. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, take a moment to consider doing so. I can grow a great amount of food for myself and my family, but I cannot grow the channel without your help. If you do decide to subscribe, take a moment to hit the notification bell all so you'll be notified whenever I upload new content. Also, chances are, if you like my content, your family and friends will also, so it's okay to share. In the upcoming weeks, I have a lot of things in motion on the farm, on the homestead. I will be planting some more fruit trees, some cherry trees, and also I broke down and went ahead and got some fig trees. My family and I have never had figs, but I see everybody in the community talking about figs, so I decided to get some. I got the LSU fig, and I got one, I can't pronounce it, it's ISCHI, I believe. So I'm looking forward to planting those in upcoming videos. Until next time, always remember to give the thanks to God, for without Him, we are nothing. Stay blessed, stay strong, and grow, grow, grow.